at this question. Find the smallest whole number by which 980 must be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. So what is the meaning of this question? This question say that one number is given as 980. When you do the prime factorization of it, then you can find that it is not a square number. So you have to find out a smallest whole number by which this number should be multiplied so that we get a product, and that product become a perfect square. And again you have to find out the square root of that obtained, which we obtained in this question. You have to find out the square root of that number. So just look at the process how we solve it. Given number is 980. Now just do the prime factorization of this number. You can find that by prime factorizations, these prime factors we have used. So by prime factorization, 980 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. So you can find that every prime factor is not in the form of, not completing its pair. This prime factor, this is a pair, this is in the form of pair, and these two numbers also form a pair. But this 5 does not occur in form of pair. So how we do? You can find that, we find that 5 is not completing its pair. Therefore 980 is not a perfect square number. So what we do? So the smallest number, what do you have to find out at first? The smallest number, the smallest whole number by which the given number must be multiplied so that we get a perfect square number. तो इस दिए गए नंबर्स को हम किस छोटे से छोटे नंबर से हम मल्टीप्लाई करें ताकि यह नंबर एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर में मल्टीप्लाई करने पर जो रिजल्ट मिले वह परफेक्ट स्क्वायर में चेंज हो जाए। तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? यहाँ हम देख रहे हैं कि 5 जो है अपना पेयर कंप्लीट नहीं कर रहा है। दैट मीन्स अगर हम इसे एक और 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दे तो जो रिजल्ट हमें मिलेगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद वह रिजल्ट एक स्क्वायर नंबर के रूप में हमारे सामने आएगा। दैट मीन्स वी शुड मल्टीप्लाई द गिवन नंबर बाय 5. दैट मीन्स द स्मॉलेस्ट होल नंबर इज टेकन एज 5. So we should multiply 980 by 5 so that the product become a perfect square. जब हम 980 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो मल्टीप्लाई करने पर जो रिजल्ट आएगा उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? प्रोडक्ट कहेंगे। तो जो प्रोडक्ट होगा वो एक स्क्वायर नंबर बन जाएगा। तो therefore required smallest number is equal to 5. So this is the first part of the question. This line gives the answer of the first line of the question. Means the required smallest number is 5. So again we have to find out the square number, and again the square root of that square number. So now the square number हम कैसे बनाएंगे? 980 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करके 980 into 5. So it become a square number. Now we want to find out the square root of this square number. So you can find and now put the value of 980 from here. 980 का वैल्यू हमने पहले ही प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से निकाला था प्रोडक्ट के रूप में. So this can be written as 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 7 and again this 5 right here. Then you can find that the square of 2, 5 completing its pair, 5 square into 7 square. So we have a square number. If you want to aggregate it, then 2 into 5 into 7 whole square. Take a square as common here. So write the product as 10, 7, 70 whole square. Now easily you can calculate it. 4900. So the square number is 4900. Again you have to find out the square root of this 4900. So the square root of square number इज इक्वल टू, तो इस स्क्वायर नंबर के स्क्वायर रूट हमें निकालना है. सो इसे हम स्क्वायर रूट के सिंबल के अंदर रखेंगे. सो इट कैन बी रिटन एज 4900. नाउ यू कैन फाइंड दैट 4900 का वैल्यू हमने कितना लाया? 70 स्क्वायर. सो वी कैन राइट इट एज 70 होल स्क्वायर. नाउ दिस स्क्वायर can be cancelled by the square root symbol, so we get the square root of the square number as 70. So 70 is the answer here.